mind is going to be talking to you. Your voice in your head. Yeah, that one. That one that's being comments, yes, and this and that, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So just be aware. I don't expect you to get rid of it. It's impossible. It's actually like an ongoing trap. But that voice in your head is not designed to help you. Did that voice in your head tell you you're going to be in another full day of training? You should get up and maybe go take a walk outside or do something healthy or go for a swim? Or is your voice in your head justifying the chicken wings and the french fries that you just scarfed down and all the carbohydrates you had this morning, knowing you've made a commitment to your health? Also, oh, sorry, is that too soon? Oh, sorry. She's pushing away her massage. Okay. So I have a whole entire list of different things, and my expectation is that you have expectations on how it's going to go, but you have no idea how it's going to go. Anybody here like pizza? How many people like pineapple? Okay. How many people, think about this for a second, how many people like pizza, like pineapple, know they don't like pineapple pizza and have never tried it? Raise your hand. How does that make sense? It's your mind. So worst case, let's think about this, really, because we have this response. Worst case scenario, you get a slice of pineapple pizza. Your mind goes blah, 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 blah. You bite into it, you taste it, it's disgusting, you spit it out, you wash your mouth out. How does that whole process take? 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds, okay? Best case scenario, you bite into your pineapple pizza, it is the most insanely amazing thing you've ever tasted, and now you have another thing you can enjoy for the rest of your life. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.